And your name is?
Cam.
And you are? Are you the tow truck man?
You're right.
Good job, Cam.
Computers get high the fumes. What are you doing?
Richie, where are you going?
Make some noise.
Richie, where are you going?
You never met Schmidt before?
See?
Hello, Jeff.
Steve Rogen's sister?
Hello, Shman.
Richard, are you Crystal Knox, brother?
Hello again.
Like I said last night, nothing.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Like I said last night, nothing.
That's it?
Yeah.
Say something nice.
Hello. Bye.
And you are?
Texting.
What is your name and what car do you drive?
My name's Dale. I drive the 07 car.
Well, the 07.
Yeah.
Looks like it's been in a few races.
Yeah, it's been in, I'd
you-
say, a year and a half worth of racing.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good. How are you doing in the points this year?
Well, creeping up on second. I just got a couple of guys that are giving me some tough competition, but I'm hoping that if things go right and they aren't able to make the race till the end, then I just might creep up and take the championship this year.
Alrighty, good luck in the races, Dale Brett.
Thanks, appreciate it.
The youth will be coming out really shortly here. Thanks for doing this, man. All right, guys, line up. Don't go past the tape.
Dan,
Go past the
this
tape.
is the moment of truth.
Line up.
Are you gonna do it tonight? What are you gonna do?
We're gonna have some fun.
Okay, let's rock and
You
roll.
can go down farther down there too. Don't go past the tape. It's very important, guys. Thank you very much. And he's gonna drive over those cars. And he started up his engine. So bring in you, please do not cross the tape. This is brought to you by Dan's Tire. Waiting for you guys to sure be allowed. here at Peachtree in September. This is a night you'll never forget. Grab your friends and hold each other tight.